In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage mail filters in Zoho Mail, a powerful tool to help organize your inbox and streamline your email workflow. Whether you're managing your personal emails or a bustling business account, sorting emails automatically can save heaps of time and reduce stress. So, let's dive right in and discover how to set up your own mail filters. First things first, navigate to the Zoho Mail website by going to mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your inbox. You'll want to head to your settings, which you can find by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open up the settings menu where you can efficiently manage all aspects of your email account. Next, within the settings menu, look for the Mail Settings section. Here, you'll find Mail Filter. Click on it to open the Mail Filter options. This is where the magic happens, letting you automate how incoming or outgoing mail is sorted or tagged based on criteria you set. You'll see a button option here that says plus Add New Filter. Clicking this will allow you to start setting up a brand new filter. In this step, you will name your filter. For instance, if you receive frequent invoices from a particular client, you might name it Invoices from Client A. This will help you easily identify the purpose of the filter later on. Now, it's time to apply the filter. You can choose to apply it to incoming emails, outgoing emails, or both, depending on your needs. You'll also need to specify when you want this filter to execute. Typically, you might select the arrival of new mail, so the rule immediately processes any relevant incoming messages. Moving on to the Conditions section, this is where you define the criteria that tell Zoho Mail which emails to include in this filter. You can focus on elements like the from, to, subject, or body of the email, employing specific keywords, phrases, or even particular email addresses to catch exactly the type of emails you're targeting. Once you've set the conditions, you need to decide on the actions to take with these emails. You have several options available. For example, you can move them to a designated folder, which keeps your inbox neater. Alternatively, you might want the rule to automatically mark them as read, star them for importance, forward them to another email, delete them, add a tag, and more. Select the actions that best suit how you want these emails treated. Make sure you're satisfied with how everything is set up, and then click Save. Your rule is now active and will automatically process any emails that match the criteria you've established. This small but mighty tool helps keep everything organized, cutting down on the time spent manually sorting through your inbox. With everything set, you're now free to enjoy a more organized and less cluttered email experience.